How do we not have any milk? You literally bought cereal yesterday. What am I supposed to eat it dry? Oh, I need some water. Okay. Why would you not fill it after you finished it? You're lucky I like milk. Alright, why would you even put this back in the fridge? That's ridiculous. Oh my, okay, someone's doing this on purpose. Disappointing. Gatorade. G2? Nobody drinks G2. Oh, yogurt. You know I like blueberry. What is this strawberry shit? I'm revoking your jewel cards. You guys can't shop for the family anymore. Oh, I'm starving. You guys always leave this so messy. Oh my gosh. Talk about organizing. Perfect. Now it's nice and clean so we can find everything. Where is it? Well, if it was up front, I would see it. No, I don't see it. Oh. Yeah, it was in the way back. I got it though, don't worry. Alright, I need dinner. Mozzarella sticks not really filling. Do not chicken patties, no way. Alright, guess I just won't switch it up and get frozen pizza like I did the last 4 nights. Whatever. I don't care. Call the cops. Hashtag pizza life YOLO. Oh, what to eat? I have nothing. Still nothing. Yeah, I can get ice. None? Ah, here we go. One cube. 1 cube of ice. Yeah, don't fill up the tray, that's fine. No one needs ice anyway.